Are you getting a black screen for a few seconds after alt-tabbing out of Fortnite? This usually happens when you're playing in full screen mode, and here's how to fix it. Open your Fortnite settings. So press escape if you're on PC, and click on the settings icon here. Under the video tab, change the window mode from full screen to windowed full screen. Windowed full screen lets you alt-tab instantly without the screen going black or taking forever to come back. This setting also works better with screen recording tools and multi-monitor setups. If you are not chasing every last frame, windowed full screen is the smoother and more stable choice. And that's it! No more black screens when alt-tabbing. Quick, easy, and makes your setup way smoother. Like and follow for more Fortnite tips.